Hello guys, most especially to my subscribers, to my viewers and likers. This time guys, I'm going to teach or share to you on how to make or cook Maja Blanca De Fruta. My own version guys. Come on! These are the ingredients guys. We have 4 cups of fresh coconut milk, 1 can of carnation evap, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of fresh milk, 1 cup of fruit cocktail, 1 cup of corn, 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese, and 1 cup of white sugar. This is all our ingredients guys. Now guys, we're going to mix our ingredients. We have the coconut fresh milk. We have the corn. Our fruit cocktail. Fresh milk. Our cheddar cheese, it's up to you guys if you're going to add. This is only optional. Grated cheddar cheese. Of course, our evaporated milk, carnation. And our condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Now guys, what we're going to do is just to mix all in order for all the ingredients to combine or to blend. So we're going to mix only guys, just mix it. Okay. And we're going to taste if it is already sweet. Okay. Now guys, if you think that it is not yet sweetened, for me, it is only optional if you're going to add white sugar. So if you want more sweet, so you can add sugar. So let's add guys. And mix again. Okay. So now I'm going to turn on our stove with medium heat. Here is our cornstarch guys, and I mix it in 1 cup of water. So what we're going to do is to stir and dissolve our cornstarch powder. So that's it guys. So it was already dissolved. Now guys, after 5 minutes, you can see that it is already boiling. So we're going to mix our 1 cup of cornstarch. Let's just mix guys, and take note or tips, you should not stop mixing guys until our Maja Blanca turn into smooth and thick. Now guys, it is already creamy. As you can see, it is already creamy and thick. So this is already our cooked Maja Blanca De Fruta. So now guys, we're going to transfer in a bowl. So let's turn off our stove first and transfer in a bowl. Now guys, we're going to put our toppings. Just put the corn. Okay, just spread to make it balanced. Okay, it's up to you guys if you're going to put more corn. and our fruits. Okay. Let's spread and spread all our ingredients. Okay, of course. And of course, our grated cheese to make it more delicious. Just spread it, guys. Okay, and spread all the grated cheese. Okay, so just like that. Let it cool and refrigerate for at least an hour before serving. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share all my videos. God bless us always.